So in times of uncertainty, one needs to work on clarity. So seeing where you come from, where you are, and where you want to be. So in times of uncertainty, one can look at that as an opportunity. See where is the world going currently and try to understand your vision and your purpose. Remember yourself and try to prioritize time of taking care of yourself. Then you are fed enough, nourished enough to be able to take care of the business and everything else that surrounds you.
Hello and welcome to the Global Icons of Impact Singapore edition. I am Priya and today we have with us Dr. Q, who is the founder of PreggyCheck. Hi Dr. Q, how are you doing today?
Hi, Priya. Thank you. I'm good.
Good. All right. Then we can start with the interview. My first question to you. There's a story behind every successful business leader. Can you describe your business success story in 2 minutes?
In 2 minutes, it's a long one. But I can call it more towards responding to a calling, having a passion for women's health, and from there, developing it into a career. And then as a functioning obstetrician and gynecologist, then one saw a gap in the market where there was misinformation of our clients or patients. And then one used that gap to try and bring in innovation and technology, which is advancing globally. And that's when PreggyCheck was born.
All right. Moving to the next question. We are living in the age of constant change. How do you personally deal with uncertainty?
Okay, uncertainty brings about a lot of discomfort, and we know as humans it is difficult to deal with change. So in times of uncertainty, one needs to work on clarity. So seeing where you come from, where you are, and where you want to be. So in times of uncertainty, one can look at that as an opportunity. See where is the world going currently and try to understand your vision and your purpose. It's very important not to lose the purpose, especially in times of uncertainty, but then use that as an opportunity to innovate and to improve whatever you are doing at that current stage. And looking at whatever is happening around the world around that time and use it to actually develop yourself to do better.
All right. My next question to you. If you had 1 minute with every CEO in the world, what would you tell them?
What would I tell them? Tell them or ask them?
More like tell them.
Okay. So with every CEO, I understand there's a lot of pressure. Having been a CEO for some years myself, I think one thing that I sort of missed or lacked was time for self and time for family and the things that are really important, because most times then as CEOs we make the business our babies, we make the business our purpose. So I will tell them, love yourself, remember yourself, and try to prioritize time of taking care of yourself. Then you are fed enough, nourished enough to be able to take care of the business and everything else that surrounds you.
All right. My next question to you. What makes this event, TGII, different from other leadership events you've attended?
Okay, first of all, this one for me is global, and it not only recognizes leaders in one specific field, it also recognizes leaders from different cultures, from different spheres of specialities or careers. So I think that is what makes it different and spectacular on its own.
All right. What opportunities do you think this platform can create for you and your organization?
Okay, having mentioned that it is a global event, then it also opens room or opportunities for global expansion for my business as well, especially with PreggyCheck, since it's a new support tool that I've introduced specifically starting in South Africa and the UAE where I'm currently based. So PreggyCheck then with this platform gets an opportunity to be introduced to network and also to grow and diversify into the global markets.
All right, all right. So, okay, next thing we have is a set of rapid fire questions.
Okay.
So, answer in one word or one sentence, whatever sounds best. Okay?
Okay.
My first question to you: the global icons of impact in one word.
Excellence.
All right, next one. One AI tool you use the most.
ChatGPT.
All right. One skill every leader needs to deal with uncertainty.
Vision.
Okay. Best leadership advice you've ever received.
The ones that make it to success are the ones that use failure as a stepping stone and not an obstacle.
All right. My last question to you. In your opinion, which working system is the best? Work from home or work from office?
Can we have a mixture? I would say hybrid.
All right.
There's pros and cons to both working systems, and it also depends on the type of field that one is in. For example, my field, I can never, even if I wanted so much to work from home, I could never bring patients home and have all the machinery and the equipment that I need. So it depends on the field and also on the productivity of the employees, because those that work from home tend to also be able to go with their computers everywhere and be able to work depending on the system. And then you may find that that system again may have a lot of distractions, whereas where people can become more productive and more focused when they are in the office environment and all they think and do is work, and then you get to maximize on their output when they are focused in the office. So it depends. Hybrid.
That was the end of the interview.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Q. I hope you had a wonderful time today.
I did. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
Thanks, Priya.